Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and there's no reason that you should have an ugly laundry basket.
Laundry is that task that is constantly hanging over my head to begin with. So, having a good laundry basket is actually making my job 1,000 times easier. JMvicyroam has made this beautiful woven basket that can hold so much laundry. And I love that it has these really convenient handles. So I can stuff as much in there as I want. And it is so easy to pick up and move from room to room. They really have married beauty with convenience. I absolutely love having this laundry basket, and it makes me more apt to actually do my laundry because I have it.
So, if you're looking for a functional, beautiful laundry basket, this is the one that you should get. I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.